This project is based around gathering information on power plants. Most people think that all the power plants in the world are something that are pretty well understood and well known, and it's a bit surprising, but we know actually very little about them. In the United States, we have lots of information. We know where they are, we know how much carbon dioxide they emit, but outside the United States and perhaps Western Europe, the information gets pretty scarce. We know there's about 30,000 power plants around the planet, but beyond that we don't know a lot. So we came across the idea of using crowdsourcing. We've made a website that's we've turned into a game. People play the game by entering information on power plants, and the logic is that for every power plant in the world, there's a dozen people who either live next to it, work in it, or know somebody that works in it. And we just need one of those people to put information in this website. And we don't need very much information. One of the most important pieces of information is the location. We have a Google Earth interface so they can drop a pin on the power plant. They can give us very simple pieces of information like what fuel is it burning, how much electricity does it generate. And with just those few pieces of information, we can calculate or estimate how much carbon dioxide is being emitted from the facility. And as we gather more and more of that information, we fold it into a large modeling system that we have that will come up with hopefully better and new science about the carbon cycle. I think a lot of people want to help, and they haven't found obvious ways to do so. I think there's an attraction to being a citizen scientist, contributing to knowledge, contributing to solving what I think everyone recognizes as a pretty significant global problem.